Ulat gejala upagu cawan, ulapan bena bala Thaw yaka expert committee, ban pule benya yaka reservation policy haga jala. Haga jingpen bena menta kashi tarik jeliau ahraja arpaulai, ulat ula betha baka committee kandon chairman, bat kidekot riu syampang na kitanat baper, kentop na katanat kaman, kariti sensar kari, ka ekonomi, sociology, bat kiwe. Ka komiti kan pan jingmut na kipat ba kiken hun bat kan lej ru ban kendu keleng ki jaka ha ka jala halor kani ka benta.
We must at the onset always remember that like every state in this country, Meghalaya too is part of the democratic fabric of the nation. Whenever there are matters that are brought out by citizens in general on important issues, government must be sensitive to those issues that are raised and must provide adequate platforms for all sections of the community to discuss their hardships, to discuss their views, their opinions, whenever the need is felt. The government of Meghalaya today has been pleased to announce a notification with regards to the state reservation policy and its discussions thereon. This notification succeeds from a detailed discussion with all political parties that was held yesterday at 2:30 in the Yojana building of the Meghalaya Secretariat. This discussion was taken up by the government of Meghalaya through the committee that was set up and notified to discuss the details of a proposal for the implementation of the state job reservation policy and to come out with a roster that should be strictly adhered to from here onwards. It was felt by members of all political parties that came to this discussion that the government must allow a healthy discussion, a healthy deliberation on the state reservation policy, and we as a committee took up several discussions surrounding some opinions about the present state of the state reservation policy and its application in the state policy. And while doing so, the committee yesterday, in its very long deliberations, has sent an advisory on behalf of the committee to the state government. The state government, after reviewing the minutes of the meeting yesterday, is pleased therefore to notify accordingly. AR.25 2022 PT2/13, which reads like this. The Governor of Meghalaya is pleased to notify an expert committee to review the state reservation policy as notified in Resolution PR.22/71/138/ dated Shillong, the 12th January 1972. The chairperson and members of the committee shall consist of experts in constitutional law, economics, sociology, demographic studies, and related fields, which shall be notified by the Government of Meghalaya. The expert committee shall undertake a review of the state reservation policy by obtaining views from all stakeholders and by conducting field visits to all parts of the state.